So I'm going to go over with you on some fun little tricks you can do to improve your background no matter where you're at. It can be something that's portable in order to utilize and just make your background your own, making it a little bit more comfortable actually being on camera and using your camera for Zoom. So first, let's talk resources. If you have your old science boards or just any type of board going around the house, you can even get an old cardboard box and set it up to where you kind of make the same thing as a science board. It can be used. You can also utilize this, that really like cheap plastic tablecloths that you can get from the party section at the grocery store, or crepe paper. Got some green crepe paper here. You can utilize that. Even green paint. Now this is all if you're wanting to create a green screen. You will have to consider though your space. That's why I'm going to be using the actual science board in order to cover with this green crepe paper.
Bring it back now. Bring it back now.
So now that I have my green screen done, I can actually use it to do a virtual background. All I have to do is make sure that I've selected green screen. Let me flip it so you can see. So you can see that I am selecting, I have a green screen. Mirror image just means that it'll actually look like you are seeing it. I picked my little sky. And then as you can see, look at that. I've got a night sky behind me on Zoom. Now, in order to bring it closer, you got to make sure you have the green is very well lit. And then you also need to make sure that it's close enough to where it can pick up on the green screen. But either way, it kind of like is a good way to cover it. So if you're having to meet with us in a bedroom you share with a messy sibling, or you got to meet in the kitchen, you can maybe set this up and you have a green screen with a virtual background. You can also use a green sheet, or you can just find a sheet with a background you like and use that instead. Another really cool idea that you can do is you can paint your own backdrop. If you know somebody that can get you some crepe paper, or if you have an old white sheet that your family doesn't mind you painting on or anything like that, you can paint something of a nice little backdrop of your choosing that you can hang up and take down whenever you're not doing your classes, or maybe they'll enjoy your artwork too. Or perhaps a family member wants to flourish and try something new. I know this right here is from the art teacher, Miss Limke. That's all for that, but use your imagination and create a Zoom space that you would be proud of.
Bring it back now.